Top 10 bad habits that destroy your confidence. We all have bad habits, and we all are addicted to some that we regret, and we feel underconfident. It's not your fault. Our body is designed to find comfort and pleasure always. According to a piece of research which says that 85% of people globally suffer from low confidence. Doesn't that mean somewhere people are underconfident due to bad habits? Leaving tasks half done is one of them, so make sure you watch and complete the entire video. This will add up to your confidence. Welcome to our new video once again. Today's generation must watch this video, as every man out of 3 is struggling with bad habits. Subscribe to our channel for life-changing videos. Let's move on to the top 10 habits that destroy your confidence. Don't worry, you can easily come out of it using this video as a rope, because it's a lifesaver. So make sure to watch till the end, because habits number 8 and 10 really matter, and we also have a challenge for you at the end of the video. Habit 1, comfort zone. I say it out loud today, never stay in your comfort zone. It's the worst place to be in. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. He always keeps challenging himself and grows. It is rightly said, pressure builds diamonds. You are a man, and the old men used to go to wars to protect their family and to hunt food for the family. You should go out of your comfort zone and take on challenges head on instead of doing nothing. An alpha male always challenges himself mentally, physically, and financially so that he grows. Habit 2, comparing yourself to others. It is the most common issue, and the maximum number of people are affected through it. Just think for a while. Don't compare yourself to others, and in the end, what you will get is just low confidence. This habit will not provide you with any benefits. Have you ever heard, comparison is the thief of joy, doesn't it? If you want to compare yourself from your past, but not with others. Compare how much you have grown, compare how much you have learned, and compare how much life has changed for your good. You are here watching this video. It is proof you want to be better. New things will be better. Believe in yourself and trust the process. As a wise man once said, it's a slow process, but quitting won't speed it up. Habit 3, seeking approval from others. When you want to know about yourself, you ask others. For example, how am I looking? Don't you ask? It gives the impression that you are unsure of yourself and rely on others to know about you. You don't recognize yourself. This habit is a killer of confidence. If you talk about successful men, they don't seek approval from others. They believe in themselves, recognize their strengths, and embrace their flaws. What you need to do is believe and trust yourself, as I mentioned below. It's a slow process. Habit 4, dwelling on past mistakes. Many times, we do something that we regret for so long and get stuck in the past, which hinders our growth and breaks our confidence badly. We, humans, make mistakes, but it is a mistake, not a life sentence. And what we can do is learn from it and move ahead, because the past can't be changed and time can't be reversed. Worry about what you can control, and you have control over your present. So decide wisely how you want to use this time. Focus on the present and make sure to use it the best that you will not regret. You must have heard, anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. So don't be scared to step up and do something new. It may be a new business idea, achieving your dream physique, talking to a girl in public, or doing that cold call. Don't be scared of failing. We all fail, and we all must learn and grow from our failures. Habit 5, negative self-talk. According to research, negative self-talk impacts your mental health and confidence badly. Don't you say sometimes that I can't do it? I messed up, and that's become your habit of saying these negative stuff to yourself, because of which your confidence will slowly pay for it later. Replace this habit with positive affirmations. Instead of saying, I can't do it, say, I can do it. A wise man understands his strength and believes in it. You know about Will Smith. He is an American actor who is one of the most bankable stars. Do you know what? When he stepped up in the acting industry, he used to speak positive affirmations. Now you know where he is and what the power of positive affirmations is. Habit 6, procrastination. It's one of the most common bad habits with which today's generation is stuck. According to the research of Dr. Piers Steele, a leading authority on procrastination, it has been shown that procrastination leads to low self-esteem and confidence. Delaying tasks gives us a sense that we are incapable of doing them, which leads to nothing but a reduction in one's confidence. The solution is pretty simple. Just start completing your tasks now if you want to be confident. Wait. First, complete this video because, as you heard now, completing tasks increases your confidence, and the next 5 habits matter, so make sure to watch till the end. Habit 7, risk-taking. Are you scared of taking risks, aren't you? Well, humans are designed to see their own benefit, but they are very scared of taking risks. It is an ability that we need to create because high risk is equal to high reward. So if you play too safe, it will be hard for you to achieve something big. Often, people avoid taking risks, and in the end, it becomes a bad habit. Those who take risks are more confident. They are more focused on what they will learn from the entire process, rather than not taking risks at all. If you take no risks, you will suffer no defeats, right? But at the same time, if you take no risks, you will win no victories. As they always say, you either win or you learn, but you never lose. Habit 8, fear of failure. Most of the time, we don't step up to do something different only out of fear of failure. And over time, it becomes a bad habit. A wise man once said, "Failures are the pillars of success." So if you want to be successful, then you must face failures too, because success doesn't come without failure. Do you know any successful men who achieved success without failure? If yes, do let me know in the comment section. I shall be happy to know. Success cannot come overnight, and if it does, then it's not success, but something unexpected that you hadn't even expected in your life. You might have heard that what comes easy won't last, so do not worry and don't be scared to fail. Habit 9, perfectionism. According to the study published in the Journal of Counseling Psychology, seeking perfection leads to low self-esteem and confidence because individuals set nearly impossible goals to achieve. Ultimately, it leads to a loss of confidence in one's abilities. There is no one perfect in the world, so what is the necessity of doing so? Trying to be flawless seems good as it reduces mistakes, but there is also a dark side to it. Trying to be flawless isn't practical, which leads to self-doubt and dissatisfaction as we humans make mistakes. For example, if you want to be perfect and aim for 100% in your academics and you get 99.9%, even then you will be unsatisfied with 0.01%, which will not let you live peacefully. Change your mindset first. Instead of perfecting yourself, be grateful for any improvements you make, as it will boost your self-esteem and confidence that you achieve something, even if it is little. Habit 10, negative body language. Negative body language will affect your impression. We often do this, and it becomes a bad habit that is too costly for our confidence. What is right body language? And how will you know what is wrong when you don't know what is right? So let's know first. Standing openly in an impressive way gives the impression of a confident man, while if you stand shrinking or shaking your legs or shivering or pressing your fingers, you will feel less confident. It's an example, but it can be different for you. Maybe you shake your legs while sitting, so analyze that first. Whenever you use body language, make sure to use it in the right way. Look at the top athletes, prime ministers, and businessmen while they stand. These are the top 10 habits that destroy our confidence, so make sure to avoid them. And if they are already one of your habits, don't worry. Just implement the solution described in this video and see the magic. Share this video with one of your friends with whom you want to grow together, as it can be life-changing for them. There is a challenge for you. Without going back in the video, comment, what was habit 4? If you answered honestly, believe me, you are a dominant man. And this shows that you have completed one take with utter sincerity and focus. Everyone wants to succeed, so check this video out. 5 daily habits every man must do to succeed. If you feel the video is worth watching, give it a thumbs up. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.